Andy, my videographer, just made a good point here that you can barely even notice these fixtures, especially once they're in the ground. And I mean, I think with any good landscape lighting, that should be your goal. You don't want to see the fixture, you don't want to see the source of the light. That's why we chose these guys, because they're going to disappear in the ground. The other thing I like about these guys is you see they have this little half moon shroud. So as people are walking in the back gate up the sidewalk here, they're not going to see the light source. That's going to be hidden. They're just going to see the effect on the plant, and that should be the case with anything. So many times I see people, whether it's going to buy these solar lights or these big gaudy landscape lights in the big box stores, but as you walk by those, you're looking right at the light, and that's not what you want to have. You want to see the effect, you don't want to see the light, and we stress that all the time. There's so many good companies out there that do a really good job of that, but during the daytime you almost don't even want it to look like you have anything around the property, and then at night it just pops. So keep that in mind. Anytime you're installing landscape lights, think of the viewing angles, where people are going to be seeing it from, and try and conceal that light. And I'll give you a couple other little points that just real little subtle things that we've kind of done around this house, which is not $1 million house by any stretch of the imagination. Doesn't mean it shouldn't have landscape lighting, but we'll talk about some other cool little tricks in a little bit.